Chapter 1. What exactly is cupping therapy? If you don't know what cupping is, or you've never heard of it before, no worries. Within this first chapter, we're going to explore exactly what cupping is. Basically, cupping is a form of therapy where suction cups are placed on the body of the patient by a trained practitioner and then heated with fire. After heating, the rims of the cups are sealed, and the heated cups create a partial vacuum after the cups cool off. This enables the cup to suck the skin, pulling in skin tissue and promoting blood flow. The concept is similar to acupuncture, where qi is drawn to areas with poor blood or lymph circulation in order to create a suction effect that raises the skin and draws the blood to the surface. It is commonly used throughout the Middle East, Asia, and Europe to treat inflammation, pain, swelling, bronchitis, rheumatism, and even help relieve symptoms of the common cold. Recent studies have indicated that it could be a promising form of treatment for a host of various ailments as well. The procedure involves using glass or ceramic cups, metal balls, bamboo tubes, and even animal horns, and a wide host of other items. Recently, however, the use of glass jars, plastic, and silicone are the recommended tools. Those individuals that have had cupping therapy performed have claimed that it feels like a massage in reverse. Well, that's a basic overview of what cupping is. In the next few chapters, we will look at the history of this form of therapy as well as the major benefits.